Are you looking for a Linux operating system? Well, today we are going to put head-to-head two of the finest. We're having a look at CachyOS. We're also having a look at EndeavourOS. We want to know what they offer and why you should be using them. Alright, so if you are looking for a sick operating system, CachyOS is a pretty good choice. Let's have a look at what it offers. So it is a performance-first philosophy. So it's Arc-based distribution with custom compiled packages and multiple optimized kernels specifically are designed for gaming and real-time workloads. It offers builds that leverage modern CPU instruction sets. It yields 15 to 20% performance gains on compatible hardware, and it is tinkerer friendly. So it provides extensive customization tools for kernel parameters, scheduler settings, and even system optimization. CachyOS's core features include custom optimized repositories. So CachyOS maintains its own repository featuring custom compiled packages built with modern CPU instruction sets like x86, 64, version 3 and version 4 for unparalleled performance gains. It has very diverse kernel selection, so you can choose from a variety of performance-tuned kernels such as Bohr, BMQ, and Zen. They are each designed to provide optimal responsiveness for gaming, real-time tasks, or even just general computing. You can also experience faster package installations with the ZSTD compression and benefit from advanced file system options like BTRFS during installation for enhanced data integrity as well as performance. The last thing over here, some of their benefits while using CachyOS is their streamlined installation. So their GUI installer with desktop environments selection and kernel customization options is really awesome. Also, you have pre-configured with game mode, Mango HUD, Proton, and Wine support, and then also Steam integration for hassle-free gaming. It has vast software repositories, so you have full access to Arc user repositories and chaotic AUR providing thousands of gaming tools as well as applications. CachyOS really does excel at providing fine-grained performance controls while maintaining usability. Ladies and gentlemen, EndeavourOS is a lightweight Arc-based Linux experience. So you can discover the perfect balance between Arc Linux's power and user-friendly accessibility with EndeavourOS. It's designed for enthusiasts who want cutting-edge technology without the complexity. Some of their features include a fact that it's built on Arc Linux and it delivers a near vanilla experience with the robust foundation that you can trust, enhanced with thoughtful, user-friendly touches, and it really makes a difference. It features an intuitive graphical installer that transforms the traditional complex Arc installation into a streamlined, accessible process. You can choose from your default XFCE, KDE, Plasma, or GNOME, as well as other environments to match your workflow preferences perfectly. You can see that the benefits and advantages include harnessing Arc's legendary power and flexibility while still remaining approachable for users transitioning from other distributors. You can benefit from an active, supportive community offering comprehensive forums, detailed documentations, and responsive help channels. You can start with a minimal, lightweight foundation and then build your perfect system exactly how you envisioned it. Ladies and gentlemen, what a head-to-head comparison. The real takeaway here is to go and deep dive on your own, try the software and see what actually works for you, because we are all individuals. If this guidance video was helpful, drop us a like to show your support. We'll see you next time.